Boozhoo Niminwenda Momapi Jayeg, Miss J and Dejinakaz. This is week 26 of our second step home link page. So now in week 26, we start talking about getting ready for the 4K children to get ready for the big school, getting ready for kindergarten. All of these things we've been doing all year long is going to help them when they go to kindergarten. And the second step curriculum follows. They do a second step at the big school in kindergarten. So everything we've been doing all year long is going to help your child, okay? So remember, like the one thing we do almost every day is eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen. This is how we listen at group time. And then remember when we talked about the attentoscopes, focusing their attention. And then remember the self-talk, telling first I have to do this. My teacher's asking me to first do this and then this. First get on my snow pants, then I need to get on my boots. Doing that internal self-talk is going to also help them stay on task and be focused, okay? And so continue to practice these things at school. One of the games you can play at home is called, we're going to listen, repeat, and do. So I'm going to say 3 things. You're going to repeat it, and then you're going to do it. So first you're going to listen. I'm going to say, touch your nose, hold up one hand, and turn around. Now say it back to me, and your child will say, touch your nose, hold up one hand, and turn around. And then you're going to do, touch your nose, hold up one hand, and turn around. There's different things you can do at home to encourage that. And so then it's like a 3 steps, or first put your snow pants on, then your boots, then your mittens. So it's 3 parts, but they're going to listen, then they're going to repeat it, and then they're going to do it. So the home link page that you're going to be getting is about little Caleb who starts kindergarten. And so what can Caleb do if he doesn't understand something? First, he's going to listen to his teacher. Then he's going to repeat using either self-talk or, just out loud. And then he's going to do. So if you can practice this at home, this will help your child stay focused on what he needs, because there's a lot more they have to do when they get to kindergarten. And we just want it to be successful for not only your child, but for you. So when practicing these things at home, I promise it will help your child in kindergarten. So that is week 26. We only got 2 more weeks. I can't believe we're talking about kindergarten already and these beautiful 4K children going on to the big school. And so we just want it to be successful. And I know how much you want it to be successful for your child. And that's what all of us here at the ECC want that too. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to call me or your child's teacher. And that's it. 2 weeks left. Gigawababin, migwich bizendawi egg.